to survive the night. Pressure heavy on my chest, but I kept my head up high. Every battle left a scar, every loss reshaped my heart. When I thought I had no strength, that's when mercy made it start.
When I am weak, you are strong. When I fall, you carry on. In the silence I can hear heaven calling me near.
Power, there is power in your name, breaking every chain. Power, even death could not contain. You rose, and I will rise again.
Power through the storm and through the pain. Your love will still remain. I'm not defeated, not ashamed. There is power in your name.
There is power in your name. Darkness tried to steal my breath, fear was whispering regret, but the cross already won. Victory is not done. I've been buried in the doubt, but you pulled me out from the grave into the light. Now I'm walking in that power.
Pressure made diamonds, fire made gold. Trials hit hard, but I didn't fold. Grace hit fast like a lightning sound. Lost my chains when heaven came down. No more fear, no more shame. Devil tried, but I changed the game. Blood bought freedom, paid my debt. I stand tall, no regret. 808 banging, heart still loud. I was lost, but I'm chosen now. Power flowing through my veins. Kingdom strength inside my frame.
Your name is higher. Your name is stronger.
Stronger than fear, stronger than death.
There is power in your name, breaking every chain.
Power,
Even death could not contain. You rose, and I will rise again. Through the storm and through the pain, your love will still remain. Forever I proclaim, there is power in your name. There is power in your
eyes in your power. Forever power.